So I'm Margie and I'm from Tŷ Gwyrdd Community Enterprise here in Denbigh. Refuel Tŷ Gwyrdd we created last year, and it's a mixture of local community organisations, local small independent businesses, and our theme running through it is about reducing our impact on the environment, reducing the amount of unnecessary packaging waste, and supporting people that are growing and producing things locally.
What we do to keep us sustainable, we try to source our products as locally as possible. Yeah, we also use quite local, like for our bottling, we also use local companies, staying within ranges as possible as we can. Gopinco is also part of the fine food cluster, and through the fine food cluster there's a lot of collaboration, see how we can all best come together and see how we can all work sustainably.
We have a real focus on environment and sustainability, so everything that we do always has that in the back of our mind. So from 2022 we've moved exclusively to using peat-free compost because we think that's really important. So we have about 76 different size planters all around town, and all of them now are using peat-free. But we recycle everything that comes out of our planters. So we replant most of the larger planters twice a year. So we have a sort of spring-summer theme and an autumn-winter theme. So anything that can be salvaged is potted on, saved, used in other schemes that we have that are permanent, or sometimes sold at events like today where we've got surplus.
David Roberts yw enw i. Dwi'n gweithio I adnewyddu Denbigh, Resource Denbigh, ar y prosiect bws benthyg. Mae o'n bwysig I mi oherwydd bod dwi'n byw yn efo. Da ni wedi gwneud digon o ddifrod dros y blynyddoedd, a mae'n bwysig bod ni'n edrych ar ei ôl o, achos yn dyfodol ni ydi o. Be dwi'n gwneud ar y prosiect yma yn benodol y bws benthyg ydy ceisio newid meddylfryd pobl ar achlysurau one-offs mewn ffordd, yn hytrach na mynd allan I brynu pam ddim benthyg. A dim mae'r bws benthyg, yr prosiect dwi'n gweithio arno fo, mae gennym ni llwyth o wahanol eitemau fel tools, DIY, pethau cegin, glenhwyr carpedi, pethau mae pobl yn ddefnyddio o dro I dro, felly yn hytrach na mynd allan a'i prynu nhw. Heirio nhw'n rhad, mae hynna'n safio lle adra, mae'n safio pres, ac mae o'n ticio'r end footprint box hefyd.
I think if we don't have the environment, we don't really have anything. We've certainly in Denbigh seen a massive impact on things like tourism, people having staycations, wanting to visit places like Denbigh. And so to have a beautiful environment, it's encouraging people to come and spend time here, and for local businesses hopefully spend their money here.